as soon as I got
Buns out?
Where I put my hand warmer?
So is there only one hand warmer there?
Yeah, everybody's gonna have to cuddle up and get a piece of it. Doubles, double and tricks.
You don't have the intro.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm so used to it.
Yo, what's going on, boys? Since you guys are dialed in, today we got a little 3v2 action at Munden Point. It's a little wet out here, but it'll be okay. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Flip, who goes first?
Yeah. I guess, yeah.
I'll call it.
We gotta say what teams.
Tails. We're going first.
All right. Good shot.
Did you get stick in the ground?
It just died.
Oh, my finger hurts.
All right, good. It's always scramble. It's scramble.
Oh.
That looked clean.
Oh, I threw it too far out.
Come back more.
A little too far out.
That's good though.
Oh, a little laser.
Right,
Wow, the wind is making it hard to get there, huh?
Past the grass. Let's get it.
We have a bit of a test with that.
What the heck? Do the stanky leg.
Do you want me to just park it in your
That was the objective. That was the objective.
Are you sure that's a tester? I think you should lay up again.
Dude, faster. It like hit off a rock and kicked it left.
Yeah,
That was the
dude.
objective, man. Now they go for it.
Ooh, good luck. You got a little floaty putt. That looks. Ooh. I'm surprised that went straight because it's the crosswind. I thought it'd push my disc more.
I like that, guys. I like that.
Felt good.
That
For my new destroyer.
new destroyer inbound.
Not new, but
Yeah.
New to
New
me.
in the bag.
Yeah, you better swing it and take some off of it.
That thing is sick. That thing is dead straight.
that did not turn even. That it might be bad.
Okay, so that's gonna skip for you. That's a good shot, Noel. That's a good shot.
I'm back.
No, that's actually. We're a little under the tree.
Oh, it slipped out of my hand.
First bet with the zip.
Not a smooth, buttery shot. Okay. Dialed in. That's a little bit short, but I'll take it.
I like that. We're on hole number 3, 219. It's a little straight, curves off to the left a little bit. Just gonna try to throw something with a little bit of hyzer.
Dialed in.
It could be a forehand, or if you're trying to get crazy with a backhand.
I think I'll go backhand, you know?
You're gonna go over the bush?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it.
Keep juking me, bro.
That's sitting.
No, it might be good. No.
That's fine, that's fine.
No, that's fine.
Still be good.
That's a safe zone right there.
I slipped a little bit.
Didn't push it far enough. That might be
It's a
fine.
little short, but it might have actually caught out.
Oh, shit.
That's honestly not bad.
You're fine.
You want me?
Yeah.
What's a king to it? Yeah. That might be in that back foot. Well, what's a guy to a non-believer?
Levi, you're insane, bro. Oh my god. That's gotta be parked.
I don't know. That might
What
be
the
deep.
Fuck, dude. That was a.
That's a tap in. A little bit yanked, but that's really good height, though. I wouldn't doubt it. Oh my. That was a good putt. That was a good putt. Dude, that's such a weird putt. Let's go, Caleb. We needed that. We ham and egg that one. We ham and egg that one.
You see that putt by Caleb? He is locked.
We don't use the term lock.
Yeah, we're not locked in this one.
Listen,
We're
I
dialed
would-
in.
You're not from around these parts.
Valid.
Four.
Hole 4.
Hole 4.
Big dog.
Hole 4. 221 feet. Our box.
Great edge. Now that you said proxy, I'm thinking of proxy.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, fuck you.
Come back.
Damn. That's still like parts.
Take it. The weather is like making my fucking throws feel funky. Yeah, dude.
Maybe you're just funky.
Burned it over a little bit.
Dude, that tree just put you right back in the middle of fairway.
Oh,
Roll. Oh.
I didn't release it like that at all.
Alright, you in there?
Forehand zone. Get to the tree.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Nice. Got a little-
We're all three like.
I know.
around
The drives, Caleb's got the
That's exactly what we were talking about last night.
Hammond.
Are we ready?
Whenever you are, little cupcake.
Can we just break?
Don't call me a cupcake.
Woo!
Good bid.
Oh my. Wait.
Honestly,
No.
like your putts are
man.
money. You just gotta get the height on them.
Levi's absolutely camped underneath, boys. We're just gonna go ahead and tap this in.
Hole 5, par 3, 209 is gonna be a dead straight shot. I guess if you're throwing forehand, you just gotta watch out for the big tree. Backhand seems pretty wide open.
Yes, sir.
They're huddling up right now.
They're coming up with a
Wow.
game. They're coming up with a game plan.
Wow, that's kind of crazy.
You know what's crazy? I'm about to ace this.
Ooh, a little short.
I don't think I can get the distance.
Did I put a shit ton?
Is that a One Piece reference?
Come back quicker, 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 come back. That's deep as fuck.
Fuck
Hey,
me.
You're
Fuck
too
me.
strong, bro. Lose some weight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Craig. Go in.
Hit the tree.
Hey, that'll
That's
work.
good. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Way to
Dude,
put
that
nature
kick
in
off
the
the
play.
tree.
I need the max swing.
Ace round.
I need the max swing.
Noel, first time on the channel putting on an absolute performance.
Hell yeah.
Noel Talensaru.
2 great shots.
Listen to this
I
one.
give you the comp. Put more.
Oh man.
That one didn't flip
That
at
was
all.
pin high though.
You look like Patty Tremblay.
That was disrespectful. That was too far. That's so awful. Right with you. Nice shot. Alright, what is it? Is it 3 to 2?
Dude.
3 to 2.
Dude.
You should commit and spin it.
Shut up.
Now you can go. If you see the red light.
Hole 6, 163. It's pretty much straight ahead. There's just a bunch of trees in the way. I'm gonna try to put a little hyzer and go around it all, but we'll see. Oh, right at it.
Oh, all the way through?
Ooh.
That's fine.
Woo!
Sneaky.
Good kick.
Ace, please. Oh yeah.
That's good though. I can't on it, but I really
Can't
don't.
go Anheuser. Just.
But if you can do exactly
Yeah.
what Noel
Better do the work.
I don't expect him very much.
What'd I say? Oh, it flexed down.
It turned.
Still not bad.
Deep.
It turned, but it got through everything.
I didn't keep it low enough. I gave it too much
Yeah.
height so it fought out quicker. Get around. Oh! Dude, Noel, you're kind of...
Oh my god.
Hey, make sure to warm y'all's hands up before you get in there, alright?
Goes up, it's just gone.
Or just don't throw it that hard.
There she is.
Oh!
It turned to Anheuser at the last second for no reason.
I think it's Circle's edge. God, my putts are so bad. Let's try. I want to putt again.
Player 2, knocked it in.
Hole number 7, 247. Straight ahead behind the tree with the 2 little skinny trees right in front. It's just straight behind there. You can go backhand, forehand. I'm going forehand.
Absolutely
Come
fucking
back.
bombed.
That's honestly not terrible.
Yeah, that's really not that.
That's so far and not even close.
Oh my.
Roller though. No.
Roller.
Give it hope.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get pissed if that cut rolls around, dude.
Dude, that would have been crazy.
That's a Craig.
That is not terrible.
I think it's a beat up rate though.
Oh, what in the hell?
It's headwind, brothers.
What is it?
We're playing in headwind.
Listen.
What is that?
I'm gonna go wide open.
What is headwind?
Headwind is when it's coming right at your
I
face.
do it flat and it fucking,
Yeah.
it doesn't go that way.
Headwind makes it more flippy. Tailwind makes it more stable.
Mine just wasn't supposed to go that way either. So.
You throw it forehand?
Penis.
I can't throw it backhand.
That's so bad.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing.
Look like a little
That
slip,
headwind is
skip
lifting
there.
it, dude. It's insane.
Look like you slipped.
I
I
did.
think we got
I heard it.
This is definitely outside, right?
Yeah. Sit! Here's my putts. My putts. Woo. They need.
Oh, why?
It's good.
3-2. Next hole's par 4. Hole 8, 370. It's just straight up down there. It gets a little crazy with the wind down there. It's a par 4 though.
You said 37.
It's par 4.
Stay in.
That's fine.
Is that the destroyer?
Destroyers.
Oh, that's gone.
No, I don't.
No,
Whoa.
that's fine.
Middle. That was the goal. Yes.
Mine is edging.
I think the approach shot.
If I lose this, I'm gonna be really upset.
Edging.
Yeah, dude, you got fallen.
Uh-oh.
Honestly,
What in the fuck?
buttery, bro.
What in the fuck? What in the fuck?
Oh no!
No way, dude!
Did it go in the water?
I don't know.
very well might
I don't
be in the
know.
water.
I threw it like so far right, dude.
It very well might be in the water.
Dude, that's.
Uh-oh. No! Dude, this is
That
not
was a
in the-
pretty
if it's
shot.
not in the
How do you
water,
think this
it's a
reacts?
great shot.
Oh yeah, she's flippy. Hey!
Oh my.
That's fine.
Yeah, but the way it just fucking.
Yeah, you gotta keep it low.
Oh,
Keep
it's
it
a
low if you
lot.
guys are throwing.
Keep it low. Honestly, you might even try to skip it.
That's, I
That's
mean,
good. That's
Not
that's
at
fine.
all. But
That's good,
I meant
though.
to throw it a little bit higher.
If it,
Oh, my grip blocked it.
that's fine. That's fine.
Dude, that's like, that's a
Hold on.
355-foot fucking pump.
This guy, dude.
Oh my god. McCray, are we taking mine?
Oh.
Throw it low, it will hover. Dead ass. Yeah. Get low.
Oh!
Oh my god.
That would have been so.
Dude!
up and cuts to the left. Let's go.
That's good.
Is it?
Yeah. I got deep enough.
I got deep enough.
I've been struggling with that all my life.
Oh, the wings on the side.
Yeah.
That's a good shot.
That'll work.
That's a good shot.
That'll do, boo.
All right, I end up putting it too much.
Yeah, it will come back. It's tailwind.
That was way too wide.
Yeah. Skip.
That'll work.
Ooh!
Still
Oh
going.
my
Oh,
fucking
oh,
God.
That was
Yes,
sick.
sir.
That was a cool shot.
Oh my, what in the fuck, dude?
Oh my.
Oh my God, dude, I can finish you.
Wow.